Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I would like to present the site synthesis for Site C and the design for the Total Rehabilitation Center. I am Izzah Zazwin and I'm from Session 2. So the Site C is located at the Ceruk Palu, Kuantan, Pahang, which is 780 meters from Inosam, and the nearest neighborhood is Kampung Hijrah. This is Site C. As the Site C is fully covered by the trees, therefore the trees on the proposed site have to be relocated to the empty area. This is allow the road access toward the site and it gives bigger area on the proposed site. The prevailing wind is the best opportunity at coastal area. Therefore, the building should be orientated more toward northeast and southwest. They are called sea breeze and land breeze. The opening for the building should be bigger so that it allows a good natural ventilation. As the proposed site is beside a beach, the building should be elevated to avoid flood or rise of seawater level. The beach sand is weak, therefore the friction pile is suitable for the foundation. And lastly, the site have to be protected by brick fences to avoid wild animal threat and crime. Mount Repos Turtle Center. Mount Repos Turtle Center is located at Bargara, Australia, and the building is designed by Kier Architect. The area is 1,170 meters square and the building is fully developed on 2019. The architect chose modernism and minimalism as the concept, and the center is focused only for sea turtle. The Mount Repos Turtle Center is very huge. There are many highlighted spaces such as exhibition, theater, wet lab, etc. It also has a courtyard inside the building that acts as the focal area. The building was primarily constructed using timber for structure and linings. The glulam diagonal superstructure is able to reduce the overall material use and increase spans between glulam tree columns. The use of timber meant the project could fulfill the 50-year design life in the corrosive marine environment. A curvilinear building, combination of high-performance construction and cutting-edge design. The building has plenty of light and a healthy atmosphere, which is meant to encourage sustainable environment by using huge glass wall. The ramps and stairs provide sculptural visual interest and allows views into the classroom and labs, together with promoting wellness and reinforcing the notion of healthy activity through design. The glass wall classroom and labs feature large airy breakout area along with adjacent balconies, providing opportunities for informal discussions and project work. The building used insulated precast wall panels, structural thermal insulators, and double-layer slabs. Together, these features help meet energy goals and synthesis of precedent study. From precedent study 1, I learned that the concept used are modernism and minimalism. There are many main spaces that are required for a sea turtle rehabilitation center, and the uses of glulam timber can long last until 50 years without worrying about corrosion. From precedent study 2, the university, I learned that the uses of insulated precast wall panels, structural thermal insulators, and double-layer slab can actually meet the energy goal. It also promoting wellness and reinforcing the notion of healthy activity through design. And friction pile. The friction pile of wood or concrete is driven into soft soil where there is no harder stratum for bearing beneath the site. The building load is supported by the surface friction between the pile and the soil. The pile foundation are used in the following situation. First, when there is a layer of weak soil at the surface and it has to be transferred to the layer of stronger soil or rock that is below the weak layer. Next, when a building is very heavy, concentrated loads such as in a high-rise structure, bridge, or water tank. The advantages of the friction pile is it can increase the density and therefore the strength, and it also can be used for heavy loads and can be used for long span. Operable louvers. So these operable louvers, the function is to achieve adequate natural ventilation, and the use of integrated louvers is for the optimal daylight and energy management. Also, the base daylighting design that allows for adjustable sunlight filter and controlled wind flow. One of the advantages is it can deliver flexible heat and light control. It can provide maximum daylight control. The best daylighting and privacy results can be achieved by installing windows with advanced louvered glazing technologies. Synthesis of case study. From case study 1, the friction pile is suitable for sandy soil. It is also suitable for heavy structure, especially that has water tank. It also can be used for long span. For the operable louvers, can achieve adequate natural ventilation but allows for adjustable sunlight filter and controlled wind flow. So this is the messy model that I want to focus on about to find the best building orientation based on the size synthesis. Zoning mood. So this part I want to find mood of the spaces by observing the nearest contacts around the proper site. From here you can see there are three moods which are public, private and semi-public. So as the result, I can create a basic design to show the mood space according to my observation. So from the matrix and the mood space that I have created, the bubble arrangement follows the mood and the relationship between the spaces. So here the bubble diagram on the side, it is to show how the bubble arrangement can interact with the prevailing wind, the sun orientation and the context. Now here the design concept stage. The chosen concept is curvilinear and the principle is movement. This is because the concept is derived from the curvy line that portrays the movement of wave at the seashore. From the S-curvy line, I developed it more to find a better shape. But instead of finding the shape by my rational thinking, I choose to play the shape with my bubble diagram. And somehow, the basic shape of the building is suit the arrangement of the spaces. This is just the idea development and also to put what I have got from the precedent and case study, such as skylight, glass wall, louvers, also the scale shape facade. So to bring the identity of the sea turtle, I got the idea to have the pattern of the sea turtle shell into my design. Schematic diagram. For this schematic diagram, I want to emphasize the circulation and access, the circulation inside the building, and the area of the space. This is the floor plan. The plan is divided asymmetrically at the center of the building, which is at the courtyard. The first floor is located at the left wing and there is an office area, and I put it together with the staff room and the staff toilet. The visitor that want to visit the turtle will be entertained with huge exhibition area, and it is only beside the courtyard as well.